If you use CodePilot with GitHub, you probably notice that you're sending all your data over to Microsoft. Now that seems like a problem to me. What if you could run your own model locally on your own system and have all the data that's being used on your machine just accessed locally, and you don't have to send it to a third party? You could do that using Visual Studio and CodeGPT plugin. There are prerequisites. You have to have installed Ollama on your machine. Go to ollama.com and download Ollama, install it on your machine, and then you need to run, once it's already installed, you need to open up a terminal window. Once you have your terminal window open, type in Ollama Llama 38 billion. That will download the latest Meta's Llama model from Meta and their servers. In addition, you want to install instruct like this. All right, now you have the AI that's able to be running and hosted on your own machine. Make sure Visual Studio Code is up to date. You have to make sure that's up to date with the latest version before you install CodeGPT. It's a chat AI agent that allows you to easily select your own models and run just like AI Copilot. So go to your left panel, click extensions, and then type in CodeGPT. Download, install the one that has 1.1 million or more downloads. That's the popular one. Once you have that installed, click on the gear icon and click go to extension settings. In the CodeGPT area, you're going to want to select Ollama. There's a lot of options here. Basically, you could pick from all the major options. Pick Ollama, and then make sure to say enable CodePilot, CodeGPT Copilot. You'll have to check this box here. And then the model you'll want to be running is Ollama 3 instruct. We're almost done. There's one more configuration option. Here we go. Now you have the code GPT chat window here. You can open up by clicking it in your left panel. At the very top of the window that pops open, you want to click providers and make sure there's a lot of providers in here. You're going to want to make sure to pick Ollama. Here it is. And click Ollama. And then the model that you'll want to be running is Llama 3 8 billion. And now you have your own Copilot. It's installed on your machine. It's ready to go. So you can quickly and easily just type anything you want just to get started. Say you might want a Next.js app that has a basic hello world endpoint just to get started. All right, here we go. It's giving me all the instructions I need in order to build my Next.js project, including the get started commands that I also need to run.